Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about hiding your friends list on the Facebook mobile app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up your Facebook account on the Facebook app, select your profile icon at the top right, and then select the Settings and Privacy button. Select the Settings button under Menu. And then underneath the audience and visibility section where it says how people find and contact you, select that. Where it says who can see your friend list, click inside of here. And you can select either public, friends, friends accept. So if you want to exclude certain people, maybe you only want certain people to access it, you can select specific friends, or you can select only you. So it just would be private at that point. Select save to save the change, and that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.